In this guide, I'll show you how to add fonts to Photoshop. Ensure your project is saved as a PSD file. Save it and close Photoshop temporarily. Open your preferred web browser such as Google Chrome and navigate to a font website like DaFont or Google Fonts. Browse through the fonts available and select the one you like. Click on Download to save the font file to your computer. And once downloaded, locate the font file. Double-click on the font file to open it. This should open a preview window. Click on Install to add the font to your computer's font library. Wait for the installation to complete. Next, make any additional adjustments to your project and save your changes and export it as needed. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.